Hey guys, how you doing? This is Dr. Greg McLeod here from the Elite Traders University, and right now I'm trading I'm trading the pound versus U.S. dollar, and I'm going to share my screen and show you how I use Fibonacci in order to get me into a trade. And so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you and show you how we laid this trade out. Okay, we're currently up, and so let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Sharing is caring. I hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday evening, uh, just Monday, no, early Monday. But Pacific time, it's like 9 o'clock, maybe 9, almost 10 o'clock. So let me go ahead and share my screen and we can see what's going on. I hope you guys are doing well today. We're going to share a portion of the screen and make sure I was shared. Okay. All right. So here we go. So this is we are sharing our screen and I'm using Trading View. And so we took a trade off a bounce. Actually, had a couple of Fibonacci bounces here. We had a bounce from the slow here. I'm going to take off this one here. Remove. I'll remove. Okay. So and so we got this bounce at the 786 Fibonacci area. Price rallied up to a high, and that high was right around this uh, one spot 3602, and we got a pullback. We pulled back to the 50% retracement, which is the green line, and we got pulled back to this is an area one spot 35344. So we got long right on that bounce. You can see my arrow there, and then price rallied up to the 618, right? So I'm just playing between the Fibonacci's up 21,950. And so I'm going to go ahead and close this trade out right now for profit. I know I have a target of 32,000, but I'm already up already 21,000. So 23,000, right? And we can actually go down to a 1 minute chart and maybe see what we can see there on the 1 minute chart from that bounce. We just put multiple trades at that area. We had a nice crossing of our 8 and 21 moving averages, a crossover, bullish crossover, higher highs, and we're starting to trend up toward that 26. We might actually hit that target while I'm doing all this talking, right? So we're looking for this for that area up 25,950 is the current profit right now. And so I'm going to go ahead and take that. I mean, that looks like that's a goodly amount of profit. Again, I'm bouncing off the Fibonacci. Stop loss can be placed a couple of pips below that Fibonacci level, right? At this time, I could actually move my stop loss into profit and lock in like $11,000 of profit. So now hands free, I can really let this play out to hit that next Fibonacci target at $32,350 at the one spot 35481 area. And I could lock in $11,000 no matter what happens. The worst thing that can happen is that I make $11,000, which is not too bad, right? Or I could trail it up even more and say maybe I can lock in like $20,000, right? Or I might just take it right now. I'm just going to go ahead and close it out and take that. And so there we go. So we went ahead and took our profit. And you say you can't go broke taking your profit, right? So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Again, a recap: I took an initial move in the market. The market rallied up to a high, from a low to a high. I take my fib from the low to the high, and then price dropped to a Fibonacci area. I was watching that zone, and when we got that bounce, I was able to hit multiple trades in this area, right? And then roll that up. And so this is a 1 minute chart, and so we got long like around midnight Eastern time, and so maybe it's took us about an hour to make $25,000. Okay. Anyway, if you found this helpful or useful, why don't you go ahead and click a link in the description. Check out my free school, uh, the Forex Scalping Club on School, and make sure you can join absolutely for free. and get access to a lot of our content. We even have a free Forex Foundations Power Course class that you can actually join. So join me on school. I'll talk to you later. It's Dr. Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and pips. Cheers. Bye-bye.